A priest went to a village, started to preach to the people in the village. Almost all the village people came to listen to the priest preaching. One among the crowd was a young man. He did not like the preaching of the priest. So immediately what he did, he took a stone and threw it at the priest. It directly went and hit the priest. Now the priest was bleeding. On looking at this, people started to turn towards the young man. They were about to harm the young man. The priest stopped the crowd and said, "Let him come to me." Now the young man was so scared, but he had no other option except to go towards the priest. On looking at the young man, the priest offered him a mango. This surprised not only the crowd, even the young man. So one of the disciples of the priest questioned the priest. "He hurt you. You repay him with a fruit. Why is that?" Now, putting a smile on his face, the priest replied, "Listen carefully. When someone stones at a mango tree, the tree gives him a mango. It's just a tree. And how about we as human beings? Let anyone harm us. Let anyone do anything to hurt us. But we should be very careful what we give them in return. It is only love, mercy, concern, and care that we as human beings is expected to give them in return. Dear brethren in Jesus Christ, this really touched the heart of the young man. He knelt before the priest, wept, and asked pardon from the priest. Don't you know, it is said that action is louder than words. Yes, my dear brethren in Jesus Christ. You know, Jesus in the Gospel of Luke, chapter 6, he says, "Don't ever hate your brethren. And moreover, never ever hate your enemies. Always show them love." See, if Jesus only preached that, and if he had not practiced it, then those words may not have that much of value which it still have today. But he went on to practice what he preached. He practiced it. He put it in action on the cross. He forgave even the enemies. So as children of God, we are all expected to love each and everyone in the world. If we show love to only those people who love us, there is nothing great things that we have done. There are so many people who are harming us by their words and action, like that young man. And we are expected to show love in return. And if we really want to do that, how can we do that? Because we are all human beings. We are not God. But still, God is expecting us to do only good things, even to the people who hate us. So, if we don't have the courage to do that, then the courage is given in the book of Psalm today. Psalm 119 verse 68 says, Lord, teach me your laws. That means I do not know how to forgive those who hate me, how to forgive those who gossip about me. Teach me, Lord, how to forgive them. And if you really ask from God, He will show the way how we should behave in our life. Therefore, next time, if you find someone is gossiping about you, someone is passing a negative comment about you, you should never react with a hateful mind. You should always have a positive attitude because you are the children of God. Children of God will always repay hatred, not with hatred. They will repay hatred with love. I still believe we are all children of God. So let's spread love in the world so that the world will become a better place to live for you and I. Amen.